Okay, pizza ravioli bake. That's what I'm making today for lunch. My son requested this. I'm working with 24-ounce bag of frozen cheese ravioli. You could use the beefy kind if you want. This is just what I had in my freezer. I'm gonna go with 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese. Here I have some pepperoni, store-bought marinara sauce. Easy, and it's gonna be good. Here I'm working with an 8 by 12 baking dish. I'm gonna add my ravioli. I'm gonna sprinkle on just a handful of cheese. Go in with some pepperoni. You know, you can kind of like cut this in half. Ground beef, if you have some cooked ground beef, that also works. Pour over the entire jar of marinara sauce. A little bit of water. Give it a good shake. I don't even think I added 1/4 cup of water, but just pour that over. Now the rest of the cheese, all on top. You want to make sure your oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm baking this uncovered until everything is golden brown and bubbly. Okay, going into my oven. Okay, so I baked this uncovered at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. So it's ready. Okay, there it is. Ravioli bake pizza, pizza ravioli bake, ravioli pizza bake, I don't know. But that was really easy to put together. And you know, this is lunch. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of parsley. You can garnish how you like, a little bit of Parmesan, it all works, and it's so good. And the best part, it's so easy to make. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe. By the way, check out my main channel, Simply Mama Cooks, for long form videos and for other dinner or meal ideas. See you in the next video. Bye.